Hello everyone, today is January 3rd, 2026, and this is analysis of BitMine Immersion. A couple things happening on the chart here. You can see that we've been in a downward trend pretty much from October all the way till the end of the year. We had a little bit of a blip up and then went right back down, but potentially what's happening here is we're showing a double bottom. You can see that we had a strong move here, and this correlates with Ethereum going higher and breaking out of a descending wedge pattern. So right here you can see that we're at the volume shelf. This is a potential launch area. Once we get above the 4209 area, that's a pivot. We go to 5363, the 618 fib level. So after that, we have much higher targets in store. We have 7174, that's 100% retracement. Then I have on here the MNAV targets. That's a calculation of all of the assets for BitMine Immersion. And then it's multiplying it by 1.6 times, which is the average of MicroStrategy that's had over many years. It equaled to about 1.6x. So it could go much higher than that. MicroStrategy went as high as 4 times, and I'm keeping an average moderate 1.6 times. So you can see here the targets are going to be at 4,000, sorry, it's $73. That's at 4,000 Ethereum, $91 at 5,000 Ethereum, and 108 at 6,000 Ethereum. So we have much higher levels to go. A couple other things to note: the share issuance that was put forward to shareholders to increase from 500 million to 50 billion. Tom Lee noted there's a couple things or a few things there. So there's going to be at the money raises, at good times. They're not just going to raise funds whenever. That's very important to know. They've been very smart about how they're raising funds. The other thing is there's going to be opportunistic deals. So they're going to use some of the money to make good deals for the company. That totally makes sense. And the other thing is if we're going to have share splits because the price goes too high because Ethereum blasts higher, then they're going to have the capability to do some of those share splits. So that makes a lot of sense. And I think that they're future-proofing the company and very strategic. So I think there's a lot of good things going forward. If Ethereum goes higher, this goes much higher. So in my opinion, a great stock to have, a great stock to hold, and a great stock to add to on lows. And again, they're trying to get to 5% of Ethereum total supply. They're on their way above 3%. So they're making fast progress, and one of the largest treasuries in the world. So in MicroStrategy, I think is the only one higher than them. So this is a great company doing important things. And if you believe in Ethereum, that is going to be, the foundation of new finance, then this is definitely one of the companies that you want to own. So hope this helps, and have a great day.